Today I have the pleasure of Jenny Williams joining me from Williams Dirt Services, all the way from Oklahoma. Jenny, thanks for joining me.
Thank you for the introduction, Andrew. Yes, I am Jenny with Williams Dirt Service, and one day my husband came home and said, "Let's start our own company." And here we are 17 years later.
What kind of work does Williams Dirt Services undertake?
Well, initially we started off small. We just had one D5 dozer and one operator. And then slowly over the years, we transitioned into larger equipment, more equipment, and doing larger scale jobs, commercial, federal, and industrial work.
Jenny, you've recently moved to the AGTEK solution. Why the move?
Ultimately, AGTEK just offered more in what we were looking for in a earthwork takeoff software. And we had been using another takeoff company that just wasn't really offering what we were looking for. And so we started researching and looking around, and we were really impressed with what AGTEK had to offer.
Jenny, how is Williams Dirt Services using AGTEK?
Originally, it was just for the ease and the accuracy of the takeoff. However, once we started digging into it and really learning about the software, now we're actually able to see the benefits of being able to dissect each job and track production, and then take that data and then apply it to the next job we bid on. And that helps us stay as competitive as possible.
What are some of the features that you like in the AGTEK solution?
Some of my favorite features are the Google Earth cut film map overlay, the Balance Regions tool, and the Smart Dirt app.
You mentioned you like working with the Smart Dirt application. Interested to know, what are your thoughts on the AGTEK mobile apps, and what do your staff think of those applications as well?
And the Smart Dirt app has been a huge hit with the guys in the field. With the big influx of GPS machine control on all the equipment, jobs are stakeless now. And so to be able to walk around with a tablet in your hand with a superintendent or owner or someone who is not familiar with earthwork, and show exactly where you stand in relation to the job and the dynamics of the job, just adds that extra layer of credibility and accuracy.
Implementing any new software solution is always daunting. What was your experience and your team's experience in implementing the AgTech solution?
What sets AgTech apart from its competitors is that the AgTech support team is extremely knowledgeable about not only the software, but also earthwork. And so when I got onboarded on, it was extremely easy to figure out how the system worked and then able to talk to them about earthwork. And they knew exactly what I was talking about. And then also the webinars have been very helpful. And anytime I need any help, it's just a phone call away.
What training did you receive to get up and working with AgTech?
Initially, I had one-on-one training with my onboarding, and that was super helpful and pretty pain-free process. And then going forward, I attended several webinars that kind of take you along the different applications of the software. And then there's availability for tech support. If you get stuck on a problem, they're always there and just a phone call away.
Jenny, you're now up and running really well with the AgTech solution. Do you think that AgTech is going to help you become more productive and therefore more profitable?
Absolutely, it already has. We're seeing a much higher rate of award because we are bidding more competitively and more accurately using AgTech. And being able to track production down to the cubic yard has been a game changer for us.
What would you say to any organisation out there that is considering using AgTech?
I would tell them to go for it, and the only regret they're going to have is they wish they would have done it sooner.